This is the Play-Doh Zoom Zoom Vacuum and Cleanup Set. We are very excited to introduce this much anticipated play experience. This tabletop vacuum zooms around and picks up Play-Doh bits and then recans them. See-through windows let kids watch all the action. Now, beyond the obvious compound cleanup benefits of this fun, new cleanup theme, each detail of the Zoom Zoom cleanup set is driven from consumer insights. Compound recanning, upright styling, tabletop play sizing, all designed based upon direct consumer feedback. This set is just packed with play at every turn. In addition to the vacuum, it comes with 6 iconic cleaning accessories that extend the play. A spray bottle, a dustpan and broom, a book mold sponge, a sprinkle maker that looks like carpet cleaner, and my favorite, a paper towel roller that imprints a cute Play-Doh pattern and perforations to look like real paper towels. Zoom Zoom Vacuum and Cleanup Set comes in a closed box. This is the Play-Doh Zoom Zoom Vacuum and Cleanup Set.